Wash Yourself of Yourself was staged at Napa Basement Playhouse, merging dance and dialogue with music. It features the journey of a woman commencing from the age 5. As the solo performance progresses, the character is seen steering through the chaotic world. Searching her true nature, she finds her wings and flies to ecstasy. Director Joshinder Chuggar, while talking to News Pakistan TV, told that the play was inspired by a quote of Rumi, "Be like melting snow."
Our childhood is innocence, लेकिन life I suppose में कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं कि जो हम अपने innocence अपनी purity खो देते हैं and फिर एक struggle होती है, एक journey होती है back towards the light.
Co-director Sunil Shankar said,
एक इंसान की इमोशनल जर्नी किस तरीके से अंधेरे से रोशनी तक पहुंचती है और इसको डांस ड्रामा के थ्रू दिखाने की कोशिश की गई है.